In this segment of the e-learning tutorial, we are going to learn how to add the course description and an image to the card for the course that will display in the dashboard. So we go here to the course settings, you scroll down. This is where you put in your course summary. Then under course image, click here on the add icon, click on choose file, and then find the image that we want to utilize, and then click on upload this file. Then scroll down and press save and display. Currently, it seems like nothing new happened. However, if we go back here to the dashboard, the change that we just made is this one, and it displays the image that we added. And then the description that we added, it will show only when you select the summary view under the course overview.